I kind of want to get the Chewy van going. So I pulled up to the garage, and if we go on the inside and the engine, we can work on a lot of it from the inside. I could right now take the distributor out, take the carburetor off. We could start taking the heads off, take the exhaust off. We might take this engine out, rebuild it. This might go into the S10. Then rebuild the S10 engine, put it in here. Flip-flop. So I was pulling a big van yesterday with the pull line, and the John Deere wants some action. We've got them both hooked up now. Kind of a tug of war pulling the van. Little Chewy van update. I've been pulling the engine apart. There's a head gasket, a manifold, the other manifold, all the exhaust system, and there's the heavy cast iron 4-barrel intake. I don't plan on reusing that. I got one more head to go, then we'll be down to the block, short block, and the cylinders look pretty fair. Maybe we can take it out and just have it honed, put it back together. And I've got all the other stuff neatly organized into the back. So you've got a vehicle you're working on with an attached shed to keep the parts in. So we'll get that other head off, then it'll be time to rip that block out. I get a cherry picker. I got to borrow a cherry picker from a friend.